For the past few weeks, I've been making video talking about how to get onboarded on the Canton network and how you can make money on the Canton network. But today, I'm going to share with you a particular way you can make money on the Canton network by doing nothing, all just for you to be given access to a particular platform, and that platform pays you every day to earn on Canton Network. So this platform pays you CC, and all you just have to do is to get access to the platform, and they give you CC. CC is the Canton Coin, which is the Canton token, the primary Canton token, which is called CC, and they pay you CC per day. And the name of the app is called Modulo. Modulo is a web wallet that you can use to process anything that has to do with Canton Network. You can use the Modulo app to do it. By you just getting access to the wallets gives you the chance to be earning daily, and all you just have to do is to get access. And how do you get access to the Modulo wallet? You just have to go to the Modulo hub, register an account, connect all your social accounts, just like your Twitter, your Telegram, and your email. After connecting all this, you are going to perform some tasks, and once you have up to a minimum of 600 points, you can use that 600 points to purchase your whitelist. Whitelist is you gaining a invite access to the Modulo app because it is based on invite only. So when you have up to 600 points, you use it to purchase a whitelist, and after that you'll be given access, and they give access weekly. Once you're given access to the Modulo app, you'll be able to log in with the same email you used to create the Modulo hub. And when you log into the platform, you get access to being paid daily CC on Modulo wallet without doing anything. So just getting access to the waitlist, they pay you daily CC, and you can withdraw the CC to any of your exchange or swap it to any token of your choice, and you can use it to do anything, or you can just use it to buy more CC token and hold. That's one of the best way to invest quickly before everybody joins. I'm going to be dropping the link to the Modulo wallets and the Modulo hub in the description of this video or in the comment section. All you just have to do is to register on the Modulo hub, and once you've been whitelisted, after registration, join their Discord account. After joining the Discord server, wait for a notification that okay, this particular batch which you joined the previous week you joined has been whitelisted. And once you've seen that notification in the Discord, that's the next week after you join, then go to the Modulo app website, log in with the same email which you used to create the Modulo hub account, and once you log in, you'll be given access. Once you're given the access, all you just have to do is to be using the wallet, and every day you earn CC for free without doing anything. Please do well to subscribe to my channel for you to gain more opportunity to earn Canton token for free, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload my video, you'll be able to be one of the first people to access it so that you don't miss an alpha. See you on the next video.